Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Bluegrass Home Garden TV. We are over at Springhouse Gardens with Richard talking about all things these beauties because they're showing off right now.
Right, this is hydrangea season, and the ones that we're standing amongst are the ones, some of the easiest ones to grow here in central Kentucky. Mainly because they're adapted from a native variety that you might have found walking around the woods in the Red River Gorge or anywhere in the eastern U.S. This is called Hydrangea arborescens, and the common name for Hydrangea arborescens is the smooth hydrangea, and it's called that because the leaf margins are basically smooth. And this is what the flowers would look like if you were just happening upon a native stand of hydrangeas. Grows usually in the full shade, usually a moist location, but I've seen them in very, very dry locations in the shade. But this is what they look like. These are the fertile flowers, which don't look very pretty, but the pollinators and the bees love this type of flower. The ones that most of us think about for hydrangeas, these are actually sterile flowers, and these are designed to actually attract the insects in, but then the real business flowers are the ones that have all the pollen and all that stuff. But this is typically what those flowers look like. Somebody along the line found one of these that had a whole bunch of these sterile flowers, and that's where all of these other hydrangeas have come from. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. But you don't want to underestimate the power of a beautiful, native, naturally growing shade plant in your garden. So we'll talk about the other ones.
You talked about pollinators. We caught up with you earlier this month talking about the monarchs. We're going to hear about that right now.
Yeah.